you planning a trip somewhere and looking for the cheapest flight options? Well, I've got some tips and tricks for you. So airlines use something known as dynamic user profiling, and that takes into consideration your location, customer accounts, previous flight records, and also your shopping trends and more to create a specialized individual flight rate for you, which varies from customer to customer. So you can beat this by using VPN. So something like ExpressVPN, NordVPN, Atlas VPN, etc., and just change your location. And before doing this, don't forget to clear your browser cookies and also switch to incognito mode. Another tip is to book early morning flights and also search for a single passenger even if you're booking for multiple people. And if these tips help you, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel.